Hello, it's Monday. So, we're doing something a little different today. Excuse my hair because it needs a haircut, and I let it dry too long without blow drying it, and it looks a little frazzled. So no makeup today. Well, I am wearing makeup, but no makeup to show you. I'm going to shave my face this morning because it's been a while since I've shaved it. And I actually really need something brighter than this so it's easier to see my hair. But if you don't shave your face, now's the time to start. I think one of the biggest myths about shaving your face is because we all see men's faces and we're like, oh, my hair's gonna grow back thicker and coarser and darker, and it's not true. I don't know if there's something different about women's faces, but it does not grow back like that. You can probably hear when it changes, the sound it makes. That's when it's actually getting the hairs off. But this is our Silk and Smooth shaver. It comes in different case styles. So this is the, sorry, I got some sleep in my eye. This is the floral, but there's actually one, they've never included it in the beauty box. And there's one in the beauty box this month for October's beauty box. So pretty much all of our top sellers, you just don't want to get this near your eyebrows, okay? Because it will cut them off. But if you haven't snagged the beauty box, I'm starting to sound like Jana from our corporate team. The beauty box, I would suggest getting it because it has the makeup removers. It has this shaver, but in the rose gold. It has a case for this shaver, so you can travel with it. It has, what else does it have? I think it has one of our mascaras. Let's see, it's harder for me to see on this side because there's no light on this side. Anyways, it's a great deal. Oh, and does it have velvet veil? I don't remember if it has velvet veil. But such a good deal. And if you can see, if you're like me and you have like those annoying little blonde hairs that you can see, and it seriously looks like you have furry face, you're gonna love this because I can see them. If I just get just right, I can see them. And you know what? When you shave your face, it makes your makeup go on smoother. It makes your skincare actually go into your skin more effectively. It goes into your skin even if you have hair. But it can get its maximum benefit when you have no hair on your face. And your face just feels much smoother. And it feels really nice. I could just keep doing it over and over and over. But if you don't have this, you need to get it. It runs on batteries, normal batteries. It has replacement head, so this thing comes off, and this is actually how you get the hair out. I'll show it to you in a little bit. But it's great. So you don't have to worry about your hair growing back coarser. It doesn't do that. And if you have someone who's just started shaving, like a son or a daughter, this is extremely gentle and it's not going to cut or anything. Hey, Patricia. Just don't get it near your eyebrows, like I said. All right. So I'm going to show you the inside. I'm going to take this off, and actually you can see all my hair in here. Look at that. Do you see those little balls? That's all the hair going together. You can tell I haven't cleaned it out in a while. But look at that. That's all my little fuzzies on my face. So, I mean, it does its job. There's still some little fuzzies in here. But that's what the inside looks like. And what it does is it has two rotator blades, and they go in opposite directions, and that's how it takes it off. So it's a Sonic Silk and Smooth hair remover. and it feels amazing. My face is so smooth now. This wasn't all from today, by the way. I don't have that. But you only have to do it every once in a while. And you can also use this for spots that you've missed, like on your legs. If you're like me and you miss spots because you can't see it, just go over your leg. I've also used this on my arms. I have blonde hair on my arms, but sometimes it's nice just to have a nice smooth arm. Because like I said, if I put lotion, which I should be putting more lotion on my skin, I don't put enough lotion. I do on my face, but not on my skin, my arms. You can use this for your arms. I would say you can probably use it for your legs too. It just may take a long time. We have a bigger shaver for your legs. It's the same concept, but it's bigger. It's a body shaver. But it's so easy, and it does the job. So, if you're interested, the beauty box is the best deal, I think. I think you can get this by itself for, when we have it on sale, you can get it for a good deal. But I think this is $39. But if you get the beauty box, you get this, a travel case, and some other things for $65. Or we still have our Columbus Day sale for 15% off anything. So it's $65 minus 15%. So there you go. And it has a nice little cap to go on top. Hope you guys are having a good one. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.